How to report and delete someone's Facebook account. To delete someone's Facebook account, you have to report them. To do so, first of all, launch your Facebook application and make sure that you have logged into it. Now, choose the Facebook account which you want to report and delete. After that, go through their profile page and there you will see three dots. Simply hit on that and then select Report Page. Choose why you want to report or delete someone's Facebook account. Once you choose that, hit on the Submit and then you are good to go. In this very easy step, you can easily report someone's Facebook account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.